Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve if your LG webcam is not working properly on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to open up the search menu, type in settings, best match, or come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left side, you want to select privacy and security. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down underneath App Permissions and select Camera. Make sure camera access is toggled to the on position. And if there is a specific application you're having this issue with, go down this list and make sure it is toggled to the on position as well. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.